Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we will be learning about AutoCAD for week 10. Okay, so let's get to the video. Alright, let's go. First, what you need to do is you open your AutoCAD. Alright, and what I've learned in week 10 is that it's about, first it's about units. Alright, let's go, units. Okay, this is the units, as you can see. Alright, so here is the length, type of number that we want to use. Engineering, for this is for drawing, architectural drawing, engineering drawing, and so on. So usually for like us, we just use decimal for like usual drawing, just for fun. And then position, yeah, you can put your how many points, how many point zero you want to put. Okay, for me I usually put maximum 30, so I'll choose this. So this is decimal degree. You can see radians, okay, grad, dig, mean, second, and less. So we just choose this. Insertion scale, units to scale inserted content. So usually we will be using inches in America, but in Malaysia we usually use meters. So I'll just click here, meters. And then, yeah, this is the decimal also. And this is clockwise. Okay, if I want to show you, right, so first I'll click direction to show you. Okay, it is 0, north is 90, west is 180, and south is 270, right? But if it's on clockwise, it changes the direction. See, this is still 0, but then north is 270, west is 180, and south is 90. All right. Okay, and then that's that. All right. So another thing is on options on AutoCAD. Okay, let's search. Okay, this is file where you can let's say if you do anything, if you were doing AutoCAD drawings, then you can pick which files you want to choose and you can put it inside there, right? And then for display, for me, I'll put my work somewhere around there. Working support here, I usually put it here because it's easy to find. So display, okay, this is my theme. My theme is dark, right? I can change it to light, and then just apply, and then the whole thing becomes white. Yeah, so I don't feel nice about this, so I just put dark, and then apply again. And then there's nothing more to like discuss here. So open and save. So this is DWG, alright. So my lecturer, Dr. Nur Fazli Hatun, she recommended us to use AutoCAD 2008 drawing because some of our classmates does not have the AutoCAD version 2022. So if we save it here, so we can publish or share it with friends. Okay, and then plot and publish. For this one, you can print your work in A4 paper or whatsoever you want to print. And system, this is nothing much to speak of. Alright, okay, this is the auto snap marker size. Okay, the auto snap marker size is this green one, right? So if okay, I'll tell you. Okay, this is, I put it small first. Alright, and then I apply. Okay, when I make a line here, I'll make a line, and then when I put my arrow here, let's say another line, and then it snaps there, see? But then the box there is small, so it's hard to see. So what I'll do is, yeah, I'll put it options. Sorry, skip options, and I'll put it like this big, so it's not too big and it's not too small. Okay, that's the size. See, when I'm like doing another line, so I can see that. Okay, that's important to us, so that the second line you're drawing is on the end of the first line you're drawing. Okay, and let's go to the other one. This is the aperture size. So this is like the center point of the polygon, if it's circle or rectangular or such as that. 3D modeling, because I'm not going to touch on this first, selection. For like the previous ones, right? So this is the grid size and pick box size. Okay, I'll explain this first because it's just the similar thing. So this one, if okay, I'll show you something. If I select this, so you can see the three triangles here, right? So if you change the size options, if you change the size of that, if it's big, and then it's big, and if it's small, it's small. That's it. So yeah, so if this is too big, I just change it back to the normal size. That should that should do. Okay, and then profiles. Yeah, you can change your profile. Say this one Hakim, and you can change whatever name you want to change from there. Okay, that's that. And another thing is on what we call this, the design center. Okay, in design center, you can choose your designs for like multiple things. Okay, let's just say if you want to do a kitchen, if you want to build a kitchen, if you want to draw the kitchen, so you can use the kitchen DWG to pick the things in the kitchen, such as cabinet, microwave, phone jack, or range oven, and so on. Okay, if you like hydraulic, so you can see air regulator, compensator, and all of this. So to put this on your drawing, okay, we just go to kitchen first. Okay, kitchen. So this is the basic stuff. So if I want to put the refrigerator on the drawing, I just click and drag. So I put it there. So that's my refrigerator. Alright. So I can move it wherever. Oh my god, no, not this. Wait. Options. I forgot to select apply. Okay, that should do, and then apply. Okay. And that's that. Alright. Okay. And okay, and that's that. And then in AutoCAD, you also can do 3D drawings, but for now, I'm not learning 3D drawing, so I don't want to do that. But if you, let's say, if you draw something, right, okay, I'll just put home line, and then just drag the line here. It's a simple rectangle, alright, and then you see this like this, and then if I click here and then drag it up front, and then it becomes, see, it becomes 3D. So that's how you change things to 3D. Alright, and then for alright, for the last point for today, I'll be talking about layers. Okay, okay, I'll just open my units and options. Okay, open. Okay, we can see this drawing here. You can see this, right? You have red lines, you have purple lines, you have white lines, you have yellow lines, and so on. Alright, so this is what we call the layers. Alright, so you can see there's like a lot of layers. So I'll just choose the most visible layer. I'll choose this red one. Okay, this red lines are like the layers. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, this is the red layer, right? So if I turn this off, and you won't see the layer. See, there's no layers. So we'll be learning on how to make the layers. All right. Okay, so I'll just redo this, and then yeah, I'll go to a new page and then just open this. Okay, this is I'll just name this as layer 1 first, right? Rename layer. Plus, okay, so this is, I can't rename this. Okay, so this is 0, right? Let's put this at that as 0. So I'll make a rectangle first, simple rectangle. Alright, just make a simple rectangle there. Okay, and then this is my first layer. This is my first layer. So if I want to add layers, I'll just click here. This is my second layer, so I'll just put that layer 2. Alright, and here we can choose a lot of things. We can choose the color of the layer, if it's visible or not. We can choose the type of layer and do line weight and transparency and so on. So usually what we do, if there's a second layer, we use another color. You just click on this color. For instance, let's say we put it as green. Okay, so okay, so now the line is green, and then the type of line. The type of line will choose if you just click there, it will only come out only one line. If you want to see the other lines, you just click load, so you see a lot of lines there. Okay, so just to make it obvious, you just pick this one, ISO dot, so dotted line, right? Click OK, and then click this, and then load again. Okay, I'm sorry. You don't need to load again. You just have to like click at that. Okay, just click there and there. Never mind, never mind. So I picked the line already. Alright, and then now what you have to do is, if you can see, there's a tick here and there's no tick there. Alright, if I start drawing now, I will be drawing on my first layer, which is my line will still be in white color. Alright, if as you can see there, it's still white. It's still white, and then it's not green. If you want to make it green, you need to click here and then double click at this blue area. You just 1, 2. Okay, now we are on our second layer. Okay, when I start drawing my line, alright, the line will be in green and it is dotted. Alright, you might not see this, but oh, I'm sorry. Wait, layer 2. Okay, oh sorry, okay. And then alright, thank you. Sorry, I didn't choose that. Alright, see, you can see the line is now dotted. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we'll change that to another line so you guys can see. So yeah, click that, click load, and then I'm gonna put this one. Okay, and then that, and okay. See, you guys see the lines, right? So it's not what would say, it's not a simple straight line. So this is our second layer. If I turn off the second layer, you won't see the layer. Okay, you only see layer 1. Okay, if I turn this on back and I turn off this, you won't see the white layer. So that's how layer property works. If you want to delete any layer, you just click the layer and then just press delete. This cannot be deleted because we are on the second layer. So we need to change our layer first. You click here, yes, and then you just click once at layer 2 and you delete the layer. Delete. Okay. How do you delete the layers? Okay, and never mind. I'll explain this on the next video. Alright, and I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.